Jarvis Properties is beyond proud to present Vergezicht Estate, located in prestige Welgemoot and situated in a quiet cul-de-sac.
An exclusive 5-home development offering the freedom to customize a home that reflects your lifestyle.
Vergezicht Estate overlooks Tiger Valley Waterfront and Welgemoot Golf Course.
This is a unique opportunity not to be missed.